Hey everyone, it's Unlimited Power, your miracle success coach. Today we're going to reveal a miracle technique to bring your specific person back to you in 1 hour or less. Sounds incredible, right? Stay tuned to learn how. 2024 is just around the corner and it's time to make it the best year of your life. Imagine having your specific person reaching out to you, wanting to be with you, all in under an hour. It might sound impossible, but it's not. Let me explain why. You see, nothing is impossible if you let go of limiting beliefs. Remember, with the right mindset and belief, you can attract what you desire. The universe is ready to respond to your energy. Here's how you can do it. Focus on your desire. Visualize your specific person reaching out and feel the joy as if it's already happening. This powerful technique requires only belief and a bit of patience. Feeling inspired? To dive deeper into manifesting your desires and get exclusive tools that can help, visit the description link below. We're offering a special deal for miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching sessions. Don't miss out. Check the description for more details. All you need is to believe for a short time, set a timer for an hour, and let the miracles unfold. As Tony Robbins says, beliefs have the power to create and the power to destroy. Choose to believe in your miracle today. Exercise time. Find a quiet, comfortable place. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and repeat the following affirmations in your mind. Miracles flow into my life effortlessly, and I am open to receiving them with gratitude. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to continue this journey and receive more guidance, make sure to visit the description link below for our special offers. Subscribe, like, and share this video to help others attract their miracles. Remember what you believe you can achieve. Keep the faith, and I'll see you in the next video.